Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change height and width in Canva. First of all, open up Canva in any desired web browser. Now open up a design or use any one of the template from here. I'm just going to use the YouTube thumbnail template from here. Now to change the height and width on this template, you can click on resize and magic switch button, which is at the top left corner of the screen. Now click on custom size. Now change the width according to your liking by clicking on this text box. After that, click on this height and change it according to your liking. After that, you can also change the units by clicking on this drop down menu. Now you need to select this checkbox here. Confirm that it is the correct one. Now click on continue button. You can click on copy and resize button to save your existing design, and you can also click on resize this design to change the design of this project. Now you can see that the height and width of this design has been changed. So that is how you can change height and width in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.